I'm Mark Brooks, and this is the Online Personals Watch 2-Minute Tuesday Top News Summary. You know Momo, it's the hit Chinese live video streaming company and the owner of dating app TRANSCRIPT. Momo has just been named the fastest growing company in 2019 by Fortune. The New York Magazine ranked global companies on the basis of 3-year performance judged by revenue, profit, and stock returns. Momo's three-year annual revenue growth rate was 141%, no less. To compare, Netflix, which took the 5th position, had a 33% average annual increase in revenue. So well done to Momo+Tantan. Big news with Apple for us. iOS 13, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system, will be out next month, and there will be lots of changes, including some tweaks to location tracking. Some developers, including dating app Happn, aren't happy with the changes, complaining that the user's option for giving their location to an app doesn't show the Always Allow button. So this option is now hidden in the privacy settings of the apps. Why is this a bit dodgy? Well, the developers say this is anti-competitive because Apple's own apps don't need to get permission to access the user's location. An Apple spokesperson said that the changes are meant to help protect users' privacy. Paktor is in the news. Singapore-based dating app Paktor is launching a new feature called Spoken that allows users to record a 15-second voice memo and include it in their dating profiles. 80% of new Paktor users have already recorded at least one voice memo. This just makes so much sense. Women tend to be more auditory, from what I hear. For some, hearing the sound of someone's voice and the way they talk can help them determine if there's a spark, and it's just less stressful than a phone call. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hey, I think we actually made it in 2 minutes this week. Don't forget to subscribe to opwnews.news for the daily news update. We've been lovingly summarizing the news for the business of love for 15 years now, and yes, we love you too. Need some help? Cortland Brooks is a crack team of 29 former dating industry professionals. For the price of a marketing manager, you can get access to our seasoned team to help you with your strategy, business development, marketing, and PR. Thanks, and see you next week.